Zebronics has launched the Zeb Juke Bar 9710C, a compact 5.1 channel soundbar system designed for home entertainment setups. The new model features a multi-speaker configuration with support for Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, aiming to deliver immersive surround sound for movies, music, and gaming. The Zeb Juke Bar 9710C delivers a total output of 550W RMS. The system includes a sound bar, a wireless subwoofer, and two rear satellite speakers that form a full 5.1 channel surround configuration. The subwoofer provides 190W output and uses a 13.33 cm driver to handle low-frequency audio. The main soundbar houses three drivers rated at 70W each, while the rear satellite speakers deliver 75W output per unit to enhance surround effects. The audio system supports a frequency response range of 40 Hz to 20 kHz. Zebronics lists the signal-to-noise ratio at 78 dB or higher and channel separation at 48 dB or above. These specifications allow the system to deliver clear dialogue, detailed mid-range sound, and stronger bass output through the dedicated subwoofer. For connectivity, the soundbar includes Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless streaming from smartphones and tablets. It also features TV eARC, optical input, AUX input, and USB playback support. The USB port supports MP3 files and works with storage devices up to 32 GB. It also includes an LED display for playback and connectivity details. The soundbar measures 40.5 by 9 by 6.2 cm, while the subwoofer measures 15 by 18.5 by 29.5 cm. Each satellite speaker measures 9 by 6 cm. The complete system weighs about 4.3 kilograms. The design includes a matte finish and supports wall mounting for flexible installation. Zebronics ships the package with the sound bar, wireless subwoofer, two satellite speakers, power adapters, cables, wall mount fasteners, and a remote control. The Zeb Juke Bar 9710C is currently available in India through Amazon at an introductory price of 16,999 rupees. The product comes with a 1-year warranty.